How to remove apps from your ONN tablet. Should be real simple, right? Shouldn't be hard. So we're just going to remove Walmart. It's going to grab and hold. And we'll go to app info right there at the top. It's going to bring up all this. And then, oh yeah, right here, uninstall, right there in the middle. Uninstall. Boy. Do you want to uninstall this app? Yep. We'll hit OK. And it's gone. What if it's not on your home screen? Oh, well, I mean, then you drag it from the bottom. Oopsie, don't turn on me. Drag it from the bottom and hold. And then we're going to hit this little box here. And then you find the app that you don't want. Let's see if I got one here that I don't want. I really don't have one here that I don't want. Anyway, we'll just select YouTube Kids. We're going to click and hold. Go to app info. And then, of course, we can't uninstall that because it's a core app. So we would have to root the phone to get rid of that. But if it wasn't a core app, it would be uninstalled. We're not rooting this.